Dude, here we go. No parachute! No parachute! Oh. Hey, at least we landed in the bushes.
There's like a 5-second video.
Well, that's a bummer that it never came out. It was packed in too tight.
But it got a soft landing.
It did get. Hey, that was good positioning, huh?
Yeah.
High five on the positioning. That worked out perfect. That was a good wind calculation by me. All right, so that was fun. Good launching, Owen. And Matthew hooked up the wires. Matthew was the wireman, and he did all the wiring over here. That was Matthew's work. So good job, guys.